Imagine the surprise of the British Royal Navy when a seemingly harmless fleet of American fishing boats turned into their worst nightmare during the War of 1812. In a cunning display of guerrilla tactics, the Americans disguised their vessels as simple fishing boats, laden with hidden cannons and armed sailors. As the unsuspecting British warships approached, the fishermen sprang into action, unleashing a devastating barrage that crippled the superior enemy fleet. The British, taken completely off guard and unable to effectively retaliate, found themselves at the mercy of these deceptive adversaries. This ingenious tactic not only showcased American resourcefulness but also marked a pivotal moment in naval warfare, proving that sheer might could be outmatched by clever strategy and unexpected ingenuity.